15. I got you. Get your mind right. I got you. You peeking? What you peeking at? You peeking at? All right. Showing no pad? All right. First set, 15. All right, give me good form. Nice and low, core nice and tight. Big inhale, big exhale. 15 piece. All right, let's bust them. Yep, and 1, good. And 2, good. And 3, good. And 4, come on. And 5, good, come on. And 6, good, come on. And 7, good, come on. And 8, good, come on. Breathe, 9, all right, 10. 5 left, 5, good. 4, come on. 3, come on. 2, come on. And 1, set. Good money. Good money. Looking good. Good money. Good money. Good money. Good money. All right, that was number 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Timer going. You're now at a 35. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, number 2. Number 2. The number is still 15. Still 15. Nice and pretty. Come on. Easy work, easy work, easy work, easy work. 8, that's 1. Come on. 8, 2, breathe out. 8, 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 give me 5. Give me 4. Give me 3. Give me 2. Give me 1. Up. What's that? Oh, you're looking good. Oh, you're looking good. Oh, you're looking good. I can tell you had some carbs, huh? Oh, yeah. So let me get everything I've been missing. Where they granola, where they yogurt at? Laying in the bed, shoes, socks, all key lime pie. What we doing over there, E? Time we going.
Oh, shit.
Still resting. Way to work. Way to work. All right, this one will be 10.
10.
Still got 30 seconds.
Okay.
This one will be 10. You're looking great.
Oh.
Looking great. Looking great. This one will be 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. All right, careful. Big inhale, big exhale. Right here with your spot if you need it. Don't hold your breath. Big in, big out. Core tight. All right, let's bust it. 8, get out of there. 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, breathe. 8, 6, 8, 7, come on. 8, 8, come on. 8, 9, come on. 8, oh, we got a lot left. Way to work. All right, your next one will be 8. You're gonna bust at 8, 6, 4.
Okay.
Right now you're looking good. Once you go just a tad down. 8, 6, 4.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, 8, 6, 4. Timer running. Looking good. Your last set will be 205. Okay, 205. 8, 6, 4. 8, 6, 4. You're looking good. 8, 6, 4. Take a break. Timer running. Did you watch the whole game? No?
I fell asleep. I think my husband said it went to overtime, right?
I don't know.
You didn't watch it?
You know I didn't watch it.
Were you asleep?
No. I didn't care nothing about no game. I didn't care nothing about no game. They living their dream, E.
I know.
I ain't sat there for 3 hours watching that. It's a long time. 3 hours is valuable, boy. Shit. 3 hours?
That's why I'm telling you, I can't sit down to even watch a movie.
3 hours.
The average movie is an hour and 45 minutes.
I'm with you.
You know I can get done in that
I
time?
know. For certain. All right. That was our 10 ball, right?
Yes.
It's our 8 here.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Right here, what you need is 8. Core tight, easy 8. Easy 8.
Okay.
Easy 8. Easy 8. 8 and 1. Don't be afraid of it. 8, 2. Come on in that hole. 8, 3. There you go. 8, 4. I like that one. Do that. 8, 8. Come on. 8, 1, 1. You good. 8, 8, 2, 2. Last one. Come on. 8. You're set. Good job. It's going to be a 6, 4.
6-4.
6, 4. Oh, shit. Take a long rest.
Okay. So
Talk to me.
So going up a weight but lower reps.
That's a traditional pyramid. That's a pyramid.
Okay.
Okay? So going up in the weight and lowering the reps is a pyramid. All right, you can pyramid up, you can pyramid down. So we very well can run it back. That's not smart to do on a squat, but you could.
Okay.
So you can pyramid down and go up. You can do it all different kind of ways.
And what is that? Just to trick the muscle, or?
Well, you can call it that. There are 2 ways to pyramid. If you go up in weight and down in reps, that's called vertical loading. But you also can do horizontal loading, where you keep the same weight for every set. You follow me?
And are they just as effective? Or?
I think you should play with both. But we normally go up in weight and we don't take down the reps. But we're probably the only ones to do that. Nobody else anywhere that I've seen yet trains that way. So if we go up in weight and we leave the reps the same, 1, it's going to guarantee that I get force reps. And number 2, I don't take the reps down until you don't get it. So if you go to the gym right now, anybody goes to the gym, they're going to do probably 3 or 4 sets.
Yeah.
And what they do is their second set, they automatically start taking the reps down. But, well, you might have had more. So I'm not going to take the reps down until your body show me that you don't have any more. Follow me? So I'll go up and wait, and we'll keep doing 20 until we don't get 20. Then we'll start to take our pyramid down. So that's the difference.
Got it.
You sure you follow me?
Yeah, I do.
All right, here we go.
How many, sir?
You just 8,
8.
and this is 6.
6.
You got a 6, 4. Now listen, we had a big jump. Let me come inside. All right, go ahead. Just in case. All right, 6 here.
6.
Easy work, easy 6. All right, pull nice and tight. Big inhale, keep your head up. Pump it, big inhale. All right, let's go. And 1, good. We up, all you. Come on. Good. 2, all you. Come on. 3, all you. Come on. 4, keep your head up. We all right. 5, good. 1, 1, 1. Get out of there. Up. Good job. 1 for 4. All right, 1 for 4.
Oh.
So what I found is that over the years, and I couldn't figure out why it was happening the way it was, I would train with people that were bigger than me and stronger than me, but they didn't last the whole workout. You only be stronger than me in the beginning. By the time we get through the workout, hour in, I'm dragging you. And this is because over time, the way that I've always trained is I'll go up and weight and leave the reps the same. So that means each set my body is going to get stronger. Versus if you've been training your whole life and you always take the reps down, your body is going to do what? So as we get deeper into the workout, I'm climbing.
Yeah,
and everyone
we're
else
declining.
Absolutely.
That's exactly how
so they
I
can never
trained.
keep up.
They would always take weight off.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I was ever force repping anything.
I understand. Well, remember you got 2 muscle fiber types. 1 fast to fatigue, 1 slow to fatigue. You don't get endurance unless you're doing over 15 reps. And just in the last few years, people started to train hard. Kind of like this insanity came out, people was more accepting to really pushing yourself. But before then, nobody really went past 15 reps. It was 10, 12, 8, so on. So you only built 1 fiber type. So when we go to train, if I start you off with 20, your body is in condition to do that. You follow me? So you got to train both at the same time. So we get both. Like we just did 50 all the way down to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get both. All right, last one.
Yes, sir.
That's 4. All right, here we go. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm with you. 1, 2, still good. And we up. Hey, breathe 1. Come on. All right, breathe 2. Come on. All right, breathe 3. Come on. All right, breathe 4. Get out of there. Okay, you're looking good. Take a rest. I gotta get one more set. I didn't write this one, but I'm gonna get one more because you look good.
Okay.
Take your break. So our last workout was Saturday. And we had chest on Saturday, right? So it was me, Champ, and the other guy right there in the video.
The DJ.
Yeah. Well, that was DJ, he the MC.
MC.
Yeah. So we did incline dumbbell chest press for 20 reps. And then we superset 20 push-ups. So we start at 10 pounds and we did 20 reps every single one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way up to 100. Right? So that's 10 sets. And we superset every set with 20 push-ups. So the first half of the rack is 10 to 50. For the second half of the rack, we put a 45 plate on our back for the push-up. But we never took the reps below 20, even though we went up every single time. The only way you can perform that way is over time. I don't care how strong you are, strength and endurance are 2 different things. You can be bitching 600 and can't run that rack.
Yeah.
You follow me?
Yeah.
So you gotta be able to do both. But that takes time.
Yeah, which is what we train
Time,
for.
yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly how we train. All right, last 120. Here we go. All right, we go. Here we go. Last set. And 1, good. And 2. Last set. 3, come on. 4, good. Come on. 5, good. Come on. 6, good. Come on. 7, good. Come on. 8, good. Come on. 9, good. Come on. 10, good. Come on. And 1, come on. And 2, good. Come on. And 3, good. And 4, good. Come on. 5, good. Last 5, come on. Last 4, come on. Last 3, come on. Double up, good. Give me 1 set. Go ahead and wrap. Come up. Come up. Good job. All right, we'll take a 2-minute break, and then we'll move on.